Hello and welcome back to Turbo Fire Garage. Today we're taking another look at the 1970 Torino Cobra. Come check it out. So I had the Magnum 500 wheels installed. Those look very, very nice, much better than the hubcaps that were on there before. Did go ahead and take the interior out, carpet out, and I was extremely surprised to find that these floors look absolutely wonderful. There's absolutely no holes anywhere. There's just a tiny bit of rust there. There's a little bit of rust here, probably where the heater core leaked. This looks very nice. There's just a little bit of rust here, but nothing to write home about. Looks very, very solid. This car was purchased in Seattle, Washington in 1970, and it has remained here for its entire life, which is absolutely awesome because driving in the rain and well, I guess they sanded and salted the roads back then. So anyways, very, very solid. No issues whatsoever. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just address the rust, and I'm not gonna lizard skin or undercoat it or anything. I'm gonna put the sound deadening back in there, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and install the carpet. Underneath the carpet, we did have a surprise. There was a second build sheet. This is the one that I found underneath the front seat. And with both of these, I was able to decode the engine, transmission, and rear end. And this car is completely original. The drivetrain has not been out of it, and it's actually pretty nice. All right, well, I took a wire brush and got all of the chunks out. There was a panel right there that I removed, and thankfully it didn't hold any moisture. Now, over here, where the heater core supposedly leaked, there are a couple of little rust holes there, and that is it. That is absolutely it. And like I said before, since this car is not going to be driven in the winter anymore and the days of driving it in the rain are past, I think I'm just going to leave that. But in any case, these floors are in great condition. So now a little bit of dressing and it'll be ready for carpet. All right, all of the rust turned black, and it is now all ready for carpet. Now, one thing to note, when you have the interior completely out of the car like this, it's much easier to clean the inside of the windows and door cards and headliner. So you might want to think about doing that. All right, well, I will go ahead and get the carpet installed, and I'll bring you back when we are finished. One other thing of note is clean up the seats. They're out of the car and they're much easier to clean. All right, well, we got the interior all back together and cleaned up, so we'll show you a little bit. Looks really nice. Turned out very well. Got the seats all cleaned up and the interior all looking nice. A little bit of the back there for you. Not a whole bunch of leg room. All right, well, that's the interior project. And thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see you all in the next one.